I'm Tyler Snow, the Super Duper Snow Power YouTube channel. This video is about working on a Honda motorcycle, scooter, and putting a radio in Blake's new truck. Probably gonna be pretty much boring, but this is my truck when he left.
So we want to get that front tire over. You're gonna get good.
I don't like no dogs coming after me.
My turn.
Yeah. I only have.
Why is smoking like
Be careful with the grass. Take it slow because the rocks are kind of sketchy.
Yeah. And if it gets too much power, just pull over. It's not going to get you. It's all to get away from you.
Okay, so this is gas.
That's gas.
And this is
brake.
salt.
They're both brakes, but I'd use that brake for the back. Slow down. Slow down.
It's your turn, babe.
You got to.
It's not peer pressure. It's just your turn.
Yeah, it's just your turn.
Don't grab that side.
Don't.
Take the throttle. Let me turn you around. You just get ready. If you can't handle this, you probably shouldn't ride a bike.
The right one's the gas, so.
The other one's a brake too, but that's your back end. It's easy to stop. You might have to give it a little extra gas to get it going. As you can see there, it ain't the most horsepower to go. No. Probably seen this hog and probably come up there and won't make enough.
Blake's new truck, 2007 F-150 Lariat, like mine, but stock and Lariat edition. I have a $888 doubled-in radio that I'm gonna let him put in here. Inform more about the stuff.
God damn. Something's never been out. Trying to kick my ass.
Just pull it out already.
Motherfucker. Balls.
You like what?
Balls.
No problem.
What?
You ready?
Yeah.
So Sugar fan ain't getting it. I couldn't get it fit.
Yeah.
Unless you got cut like all of them like off or something. I only have a few screws in it and they're like super short. Yeah, I just got these little things up right there. That's gonna be a pain if you do. But look, just break it right there.
Yeah.
What?
Run the GPS for me.
Might find radio right here.
Yeah, we got power, that's good.
Let's see if we have sound. Yeah. Bluetooth and everything.
Thank you.
Everything. You ain't got navigation on. You can watch movies probably. I have to change the background. I can't figure out how to do it.
That's good news.
Yeah. Tell me more, like does he have a car?
Stupid.
What?
Stupid.
Yeah, you are. You need the radio?
Put a couple in a place.
Yeah, mouse lights popped out. Just kidding. That's good.
Oh, it doesn't look like it's fucking popped out, because it is. Let's cut those tabs. That looked retarded.
Wait, really?
Yes, that looked retarded.
Yeah, it does. Look at her. Oh. What time is it?
$6:01.
Look, just in time. Look at that nice radio.
We got home at 5. So we did it in an hour.
Yeah, it's not too bad. The Dunderheads brothers. What?
Who's that?
No idea. What? What? I don't know what that was. So this is future me. We know what that sound was, and I went to sleep when we got done, and they got back. They figured out what it was. The cap right there, that's supposed to be there, built up pressure and shot up. It put like a dent in the hood, like going out. So it shot up, hit top of the hood on the inside. That's what that sound was. Okay, back to the video. What? Actually put the whole thing in there.
That's what she said. Well, I got it that time.
Like, they're everywhere. I just...
Right here. And right
Oh my
here.
god, I got the video. Ah.
Oh!
This is going in the video too.
Look at what you did! Oh god! So Tyler, you can add this to your video. Alright, so if you turn the headlights off, the radio comes back on. Oh, if we turn the headlights on, it thinks it's in reverse. What the hell?
Well, we got the Honda Spree going, the moped, and all I needed was a battery and just a little bit of a tune-up. Then we got the radio on Blake's truck. Took about an hour. And I guess that sums it up. Until next time. Bye.